Hey everyone, welcome back to another video here with the dirty ass SI. Just washed it like a week ago and it needs washed again already. But today we're going to be taking care of these nasty boys. Because I can barely see at night while I'm driving right now. So we got a, let's see, where did I put it? Right here. We got Griot's Garage ceramic headlight restoration kit. It comes with, let's see here, there we go. We got ceramic headlight coating wipes, oxidation remover wipes, 2000, 1000, and 3000 grit sanding pads, sanding pad holder, contour, comfort, grip, whatever thing, and some gloves. So we're gonna use this. Hopefully it works out pretty good, because I'm, well, tired of not being able to see at night, and these are just god awful, horrendous, oxidized crap. So we're gonna start working on that now. So as you can see, that worked way better than I honestly expected. Still drying the ceramic headlight coating, but you see that's what it looks like after it's done. And this is what it looked like beforehand. So we got both sides done now. And wow, does it look 1,000 times better. And look how clear that is compared to what it was earlier. And this one as well. This one was even worse than the other one. Right around here, it had some overspray or something from some paint that was done, and it even took that off. So they look a whole lot better. Obviously, it's day out right now, as you can see, so I can't test night visibility, but I'm really happy with the result of this. The Griot's product worked awesome. I think now we're also going to clean this exhaust tip, because as you can see, that is black. You can't even read on the side right there that it says full race. You can kind of just barely maybe see the E. There we go. I didn't get all the way back. As you can see, it's still a little crusty back there, but you can see full race again. It's nice and shiny. I kind of did the inside, but again, can't see that because there's no lighting back here. All the way around, it looks much better now. Still not great, but a lot better than it was. So I'm happy with it, and we will see you guys next time. Have a good one. Don't forget to raise the bar.